Let's explore precision turns. A precision turn requires knowing where you want to position the car and having skills to do it. We'll see how reference points and targeting apply to precision turns. Before making a precision turn, we set a goal to begin the turn 3 feet away from the curb and end the turn 3 feet from the curb of the street we are entering.
These are the actions a driver should take while making a turn. All of these actions can be divided into those taken before making the turn, actions that occur during the turning process, and those taken after making the turn. Each of these actions are presented in detail in other modules. These are the concepts we'll explore to make precision turns. These 3 concepts, side positioning, forward positioning, and target selection, when performed correctly, will guarantee a successful precision turn. Let's take a look at what these concepts mean. The side of the car is 3 feet away from the curb when we have the proper side position. You are driving this car. How far from the white line are the right tires, and what reference point are you using?
We are this distance, 3 feet, away from the line. The reference point is the hood ornament touching the pavement, or we can see the white line appear to be in the middle of the right half of the hood. Our side position before making a right turn is 3 feet from the curb. We're planning a right turn. Before we get closer to the intersection, we want to be certain that we have a proper side position.
How is our side position? A, good. B, too close to curb. C, too far from curb. D, can't tell.
A is correct. We have a good side position. We can see from where the hood ornament touches the pavement that our right tires will track 3 feet from the curb. With an okay side position, we then set up our forward position, which is when the front of the car is even with the curb line of the street we are entering.
When the front bumper is even with the curb, how will we, from the driver's seat, see the car in relation to the curb? We see the curb appearing to intersect the space between the corner post and the side view mirror. All drivers see the curb somewhere in this area. This is our forward reference point. When making a turn from a stopped position, we do not begin turning until we reach this point. Remember, looking at the front of the car, we will see an optical illusion. The car appears to be sticking way out into the intersection.
Once we have an okay side position and forward position, then we select the target that we will be heading for as the turn is completed. Our ability to see a specific target is restricted by these trees. Once we start into the turn, here is what we will see as the target area. We must now decide where we want to aim the car and what problems we will have to solve. As we look to our target, we notice a parked car that will affect our targeting path. So we'll have to make sure we have space available to get around that car. By looking to our target area, we get an advanced alert when problems do occur. The target also gives us a focal point to aid in precision steering. With an OK forward position and a target selected, search for open space to enter the intersection. So we'll search to the left, to the front, and to the right. When the intersection is clear, we'll look at our target and begin moving and turning.
While preparing to make a right turn, we're looking to the right for a target, which will be in the center of our lane. We make our final checks of the intersection by searching at a 90-degree angle to the left, which is in this range. We recheck the front, then we check to the right. When the left, front, and right are clear, we lock onto our target and begin to move and turn at the same time. If we used our reference points correctly, our right tires should end up 3 feet away from the curb. We can make adjustments based upon where we want our targeting path to be. As we complete the precision right turn, the side of our car is 3 feet away from the curb. An important objective for making precision turns is to use the least amount of space to complete the turn. By using the least amount of roadway, you create an escape path for other traffic.